In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email in Gmail. We'll be working on a computer using a desktop browser, and I'll walk you through deleting single messages, clearing messages inside a thread, and removing large batches safely and confidently. Let's start with deleting individual or multiple emails from your inbox or any label. In your message list, look to the far left of each email and you'll see a small checkbox. Click the checkbox to select one message. If you want to delete several at once, select multiple checkboxes. As soon as you select something, the toolbar across the top becomes active. Click the delete icon, which looks like a trash can. That moves the selected emails to the trash. A quick tip: the archive button sits nearby and looks like a box with a downward arrow. If your goal is to remove the message, make sure you choose the trash can icon, not archive. Next, let's delete a single message inside a conversation thread. Open the conversation, then find the specific message you want to remove. In the upper right corner of that message, next to the reply button, click the More menu, shown as 3 vertical dots. From that menu, choose Delete this message. This removes only that one message from the thread, not the entire conversation. If the thread is collapsed, you may need to expand it to see each message clearly before using the More menu. Now let's cover bulk deletion for a large cleanup. Begin by choosing where you want to delete from, such as Inbox or All Mail, using the left sidebar. At the top left of your message list, there's a Master Select checkbox. Click it to select all emails currently visible on the page. After you do, a line appears at the top that says something like Select All, Number Conversations in Category. Click that link if you intend to select everything in that category across all pages, not just what you can see. With everything selected, click the delete icon. This is a powerful action, so take a second to confirm you're in the correct category and that the selection count matches your intent. A few final notes for peace of mind. Deleted emails go to the trash, where they're retained for a limited time before being permanently removed. Attachments are deleted along with the emails. If you make a mistake, you'll usually see an undo prompt right after deleting, and you can also review the trash during that retention window. That's it. You now know how to delete individual emails, messages inside a thread, and large batches in Gmail on your computer.